I'm Monica. I'm 18 years old. I'm South African. For this year, I decided to do interior designing. In terms of inspiration, I got lots. I've learned so many things I never imagined would be in interior designing.
I tried to explain that mainly how it works, the relationship between a client and an architect.
It also kind of challenged me to be more creative with what I've got and to be more open-minded.
It's hard to understand that it takes a time.
In the beginning, I was like so overwhelmed.
She needs to improve that part of taking your time and making step by step.
We had to figure out like what works to keep the sound inside, because this room is supposed to be a room where you can go have a Skype call, have a conversation with somebody.
You need to understand what is the need. It's not only about making something nice.
So we had to also think of the height of the people, and then so the whole room kind of moved to the side.
We talked to another part of the team to say, okay, we're going to do this. What do you think?
And the whole time I was like getting feedback and asking people, and then it became clearer and clearer for me in terms of where I should put furniture and how to still make the space feel bigger because it's smaller.
When she's working on that, she really gets enthusiastic.
It's so much more than making it look pretty.
Real life, you have to, commit to what you said you were going to do, and I think that's important.
That was the biggest thing that I learned.
I hope she learned a little bit about how is the process, how to deal with a client.
I love the whole process. It's been challenging. It pushes me to think beyond what I know.
We can, work on a project, on a space, on real time. For me, it's a unique opportunity.
It's nice to know that it's going to finish, and then you get to see the outcome of it.
Can you come here? Can you see the space? How do you feel?
It's challenging, it's an opportunity, it just opens you up. Thank you so much. You inspire me so much.
I really enjoy working with you.
I know I've also been very difficult to work with.
Know that sometimes I was a little bit tough.
But thank you so much for your patience. Really appreciate everything that you've helped me through.
And I think you have a great potential.
It's been really interesting to see how you work, how you do your things.
So don't be afraid of doing more things or of making mistakes.
It also made me a lot more confident. So thank you so much for being my mentor and also for having an internship with you.
Welcome to the real life.